Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know, I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I did not pick up, I think I have 2 bags. I was gonna say I didn't pick up a bunch of stuff, but however, everything that I picked up is new, maybe with the exception of like 2 items. So let's get into this. When I first walked in the door, I saw the little display of the emoji pillows. Look at what I see when I walk in. Some poop reindeer pillows. You got Santa Claus, and you got the winking one with the tongue out, and you have an angry one. Let's see if there's something else under there. Yeah, more angry ones. But how funny is that? Let me see. I think I'm gonna get this one. And in the past, they did have the emoji pillows, but however, I think these are a little bit different. These are a little bigger. And the reason why I had to get the poop is because he had ears. And I think these are ears, but then they can be reindeer antlers because the other pillows were like Christmas themed. So I'm thinking these are supposed to be antlers. That's what I think. So anyways, I picked him up. He has a hard nose. It's actually hard plastic. And so it's big, it's cute, it's $1. I had to get it for the kids. Then I picked up this one. And he has on his Santa hat with the ball on the end. And I think this will be cute. I know my daughter is going to want this. This is super cute. They had some other ones, but those 2 plus this one, because my favorite color is purple and he's being sneaky. And he matched me today. I had to pick this one up. I just love the eyebrows on this. So yeah, and these are really, really nice size and really soft. So these will be super cute accent pillows like on your teen's bed or wherever you want to put them at. So I did pick up those 3. Okay, so now I am randomly picking up stuff. If you remember in my background or even in the previous haul, it's been some months, but in my background picture when I film at home, you guys remember the pictures that are sitting behind me? Well, they had some more out and I went through most of them and this was the only one. You guys excuse this of like a big airplane. Okay, that was really loud. So anyways, I picked up this one after going through most of the pictures and I really just like this. I love that she has like that afro going on with her dress, with her feathers on her shoulders with the leopard print. And so she doesn't have a face, but she is a melanin sister. And I think this picture is super pretty. I was actually standing there thinking of something I might try to do with this. I don't know. We'll see. But I did pick up that one. My daughter's friend loves Harry Potter. And I seen this in the past. But I told her next time I saw these stickers, which is Harry Potter themed, I told her that I was going to pick it up for her friend so she can give it to her. So I got that for my daughter. Then I saw these placemats, and I think I want to do something with them, but we'll see. This one says live, love, and eat, and I think these will be cute. If you only wanted to pick up one, put it on this, your table setting around Thanksgiving or whenever you want. I just like that one. And this one I really like. It looks like it's chalkboard and it says blessed in cursive. I love that. And these are really, kind of thick. So I picked up those. Then I got a 3-pack of Cracker Jacks just because we like Cracker Jacks. So I got those. So I finally stumbled across this pen that I had seen on Instagram and I just picked it up because I thought it was cute. I love the colors on it. It is a mermaid tail. I love the ombre effect of that. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. I did pick up a yo-yo because I like to try to teach the kids old school, games and toys and stuff like that. Like, for instance, I made a Chinese jump rope. How many of you guys remember Chinese jump ropes? I made a really, really big one to teach my daughter and her friends how to play. They didn't know how to play that. I'll be trying to show them how to double dutch. They don't know how to double dutch. The Chinese jacks, oh my God, I wish I could find some more Chinese jacks. I had some, but Pooh Bear lost a couple of the pieces. What else is old? Oh, even just down to the kids not even knowing, rhymes when you jump rope. Like, I went downtown to see James Brown. He gave me a nickel to buy me a pickle. You remember those kind of songs you would sing when you jump rope? These kids don't even know that stuff anymore. So whenever I just see something like this, I like to pick it up just to try to bring it back. Tetherball, what happened? Anyways, then I picked up this Ultra Max 3-in-1 Arm & Hammer body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, and I only picked it up to try it as a body wash. It smells really, really good. And it was made by Arm & Hammer, so that's the only reason why I picked it up, because I've spoke on it before. I'm not really big on the Dollar Tree brand body products and shampoos and stuff like that, because they seem a little like jelly, but then watery. Like, I just don't like the way it feels, so I normally don't pick those up. And then let me hurry up because my battery is dying. They had some more cups, and these could not have come at the most perfect time, because all of my other ones have disappeared. And I don't know if you remember, but when I showed them in one of my videos, I told you guys that my kids take my cups, they disappear out of the house. The only ones that they don't do that with are my ceramic cups that I use like for my coffee. But anything like this, they take them, they disappear, and I never see them. So I literally ran out of those, and I'm happy to find some new ones. So this one says sip and relax, and these are the 2 plastic cups with the, you know, the coffee top, reusable. So sip and relax, I thought that was super cute. Wakey wakey, adorable. This one says soothing. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. Soothing in silver. And then the last one says enjoy. And these are 2 cups with the lids. Yeah, so like I said, I ran out of my other ones, and I'm happy to find those. Then 2 things that I got that were Halloween were these candle holders, and they look like this, and they're kind of like, they are ceramic, and they have the holes at the top for you to put your candles on. And I just thought these were cute. These were the only 2 designs that I saw with the eyes that look